All other attempts have failed, so we're now going to sail up to Hubert's Island Bridge, where we can access the top of the mast from the bridge deck. Being a sloping
No, I
bridge,
don't
we've
think
got
so.
a half a
Looks-
chance of matching the
yeah.
height with the deck.
Well, here we are again for part 2 of getting the halyard up. Now we've got it secured against St Hubert's Island Bridge, and yeah, good luck to us.
So one of us paddles ashore and then climbs up onto the bridge, while the other stays with the boat, fending it off from the piers. And this is how the mast looks against the deck of the bridge. Locals there saying hello. So here we are looking down and to the top of the mast where the business has to happen.
We're okay on the fenders. You level out the.
Well, we got the fishing line to come down the mast and had trouble hooking it out of the bottom of the mast, so we've actually removed the bottom block, and if you can see it, we've got fishing line here now ready to pull down the leader rope. Now we've got the leader rope through, so we're now ready to attach the actual halyards and pull them through. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how we do that. We have got a mainsail and halyards and all sorts of good shit going on. We even have a burgee. Sailing back home after a very successful day.